In this video, we will show you how to get started with the device passcode feature now available on select Garmin watches. When enabled, the new device passcode will offer an extra layer of protection to help safeguard your personal data. Passcode requests can be made to view stored data, such as health metrics, saved activities, locations, and more. With the device passcode enabled, you are required to enter in a code to access the functions on your watch. This includes viewing items available on the watch or when connected to a computer. For a seamless user experience, we created the passcode feature so the code does not have to be re-entered each time you interact with your watch. You will need to re-enter the passcode after the watch is removed from your wrist or after an extended period. When the watch is locked, a few important features will remain accessible. This includes the watch face, emergency assistance, and the flashlight. Let's get started with the setup. From the watch face, press and hold the up menu button to access the settings menu. Using the down button or touchscreen, locate watch settings. Press the start-stop button to select it. Scroll down and select system. Then scroll down and select passcode. Select Set Passcode. Enter in your new 4-digit passcode. Press the red back button to clear an incorrect digit. After entering in the 4th character, the watch will ask you to re-enter the passcode to confirm. You will see passcode set once complete. Now that your passcode is set, your watch is now more secure. However, let's cover what happens if the passcode is entered incorrectly or if you forget your passcode. When you enter an incorrect passcode, the watch will vibrate and clear out the entered code. After 3 failed passcode attempts, you will see a notification with a countdown and that you have 2 attempts remaining. After the next failed attempt, you will have to wait an extended amount of time before trying your last attempt. If you forgot your passcode, you will need to open the Garmin Connect smartphone application to reset the passcode. Here, you will see a red banner at the top indicating the passcode was entered incorrectly. Tap the banner to open the options. Select Reset Passcode. Then select Reset. Your passcode will be disabled and removed from the watch. If you fail the passcode attempt 5 times, you will not be able to access the functions on your watch. A prompt will display, enabling you to reset the watch. Follow the previous steps earlier in the video to create a new passcode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about your device, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.